The equation x cubed plus y cubed is 3xy plus y implicitly defines the curve shown below. Using implicit differentiation, obtain the expression for dy dx. So we're starting with x cubed plus y cubed is equal to 3xy plus y. And we're differentiating with respect to x. So we get 3x squared plus 3y squared dy dx. Now 3xy is a product. Du dx is equal to 3. dv dx equals dy dx. And so v du dx would be 3y. And u dv dx would be 3x dy dx. And then just differentiating y is dy dx. Now we're going to bring everything with dy dx onto the right hand side. So I've got 3x dy dx minus 3y squared dy dx plus dy dx, and everything without onto the other side. And then we can factorize, so we've got 3x squared minus 3y equals dy dx into 3x minus 3y squared plus 1, and therefore dy dx is equal to 3x squared minus 3y over 3x minus 3y squared plus 1. The slope of the curve at the origin, O, and points A and B, which we can see on the graph, is equal to 0. Show that the equation that determines the x-coordinates for points A and B is given by this equation here, and hence determine the coordinates for point A correct to 0.001 or 3 decimal places. Now for dy dx to be equal to 0, that means that the numerator here has to be 0, and therefore y is equal to x squared. Now we have x cubed plus y cubed is equal to 3xy plus y. Substituting for y gives me x cubed plus x to the 6 is equal to 3x to the 4. Sorry, 3x cubed, because y is x squared, plus x squared. Now, if we're looking at a and b, that means that x is not 0. That means we can divide through by x squared, and we get x plus x to the 4 is equal to 3x plus 1. And if we rearrange that, we get x to the 4 minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So let's solve that. And so action advanced solve. And I have x to the 4 minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. And of these 2 points, A is the leftmost according to the graph. So we'll go for negative 0.475. And then we want the y value. We know that at these points, y is equal to x squared. So all we need to do is grab this value. And it doesn't matter, I didn't get the minus there, and just square it. And that's 0.225.